Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not working issue on your iPhone after iOS 18 beta update. So guys, if you are facing this problem while updating your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 18 and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to check that notification setting is correct. So guys, make sure that your notification setting is correct. For that you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys scroll it below, and here is the option of notification. So guys, simply tap on it, and from here guys locate for the WhatsApp. So guys, simply scroll it below, and here is WhatsApp. So guys, simply tap on it and make sure that the allow notification is turned on. If it is turned off, then simply turn it off and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply force close your WhatsApp app. For that you have to just simply open WhatsApp and close it, and again open it and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, after making sure that your internet connection is working properly, then you have to again check that do not disturb mode is not enabled. If it is enabled, then simply disable it and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you are still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset network settings. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings, and from here guys simply tap on journal, and from here guys scroll it below and tap on your transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on reset, tap here reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.